Locate the brake fluid reservoir. Clean the brake fluid reservoir to enhance visibility and prevent contaminants from falling in when the cap is removed. Locate the maximum and minimum fluid level markers on the side of the reservoir. Remove the cap to add fluid. Before adding fluid, it is imperative you know what type of fluid your vehicle requires. This information should be in a section titled Fluid Capacities in your owner's manual and will typically be .3, .4, or potentially .5, also known as silicone brake fluid. If you're lucky, the type of fluid may even be on the cap of the reservoir. It is important that you always use the type of brake fluid indicated in your owner's manual. Using a different type of brake fluid could cause severe damage to your brake system. One thing to keep in mind is that brake fluid will eat right through your car's paint, so put some paper towel around the reservoir before adding fluid. It's also important to mention that you should not shake the fluid before pouring it in your vehicle. The air bubbles may foul up your brake lines. Fill the reservoir to the full line. Since brake fluid attracts moisture, be sure not to use any brake fluid over a year old. Any moisture in the fluid can rust out your brake lines pretty quickly. Your best bet is to discard any unused brake fluid immediately. Secure the cap onto the reservoir.